Hello people, in this video we'll be looking at one of the capabilities of GPT-3 based models, this JD creation, uh, on providing simple requirements like the tech stack required or the skills required, and with other information like the years of experience. GPT-3 based models will generate as a job description depending on the given input. Now we'll give some information to it, like the role is Python developer, skills is Python, Flask, Django. Then we can write visuals, um, C plus. So if we are giving a small description like this, and once we click on submit, the GPT-3 based small text C3 in this case will comprehend the requirement we have given to it, and will try to create a job description for it. So it will be using the keywords like Python developer and the skill sets we have given, and the years of experience you have given it to create a job description for us. So you see it has created a JD where it is given the title and what we want the jobs and responsibilities faced that the individual might face, and the requirement for the corresponding role. See, this is just neatly created a very concise job description for Python developer with full stack experience. This is a very good example of what GPT-3 based models can do for JD creation. Thank you, people.